Hey you guys, I have a very special Frozen 2 themed tie-dye reveal, so stick around and check it out. Alright, so I have 3 tie-dye reveals today. It's not going to be a very long video, but I'm very excited about it because I haven't done a tie-dye reveal in quite some time. But I have a bag and 2 shirts, and they are all Frozen themed. So I'm just going to dive right into it. So the first one is the bag, and I went with a lot of purple and some blues in it. So this is my Frozen swirl bag. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. I did 2 different kinds of blues and a lot of purple. So I think that looks super pretty. A lot of purple in there. I also think the tie-dye reveals are pretty satisfying. I don't know if you guys do, but I think it's pretty cool just to see how it was folded up before and then you're unfolding it and then it just looks super cool. But my daughter loves Frozen, and Frozen 2 just came out, and I have not seen it yet, but I have watched the trailers a million times and I want to see it so bad. But this one is a snowflake that I'm trying, and the third one I'm really excited about because it is a diamond. So if you've seen the trailer to Frozen 2, she makes these crystal diamond things that kind of just hang in the air for a second. So I did that, and the swirl. So this is my snowflake, if I can get it open. Alright, my snowflake shirt. It had to be folded a little weird, so I gotta unfold it. I'm really excited to see this. Alright, I used a lot of blue, and there's a little bit of green in here. Ooh, that's so pretty. That is my snowflake shirt. Lots of blues, and then if you turn it around on the back, there's some blues and some greens in there. So that's my Frozen snowflake, and then last but not least is the diamond that I was talking about. Used a lot of rubber bands and a lot of sinew in these. So I used a lot of pretty blues and a lot of purple. Purple likes to take over, but purple's so pretty with blue that I don't think it's a bad thing. I cannot wait to see Frozen 2 as it is. I have been wanting to see it with the kids, and the kids have been wanting to see it really bad. I don't blame them because it's supposed to be the best movie of the year, and it's supposed to be even better than the first one, and everybody probably still watches the first one because it's so great. So this is the Elsa Diamonds t-shirt. Ooh, that turned out exactly how I wanted it to. That is my Elsa's Crystal Diamonds t-shirt. Watch the trailer if you haven't, because it has some meaning to it. There's some twists and turns that you can't wait to see. They make it so you can't wait to see. But don't you love these Frozen themed shirts? They're so cool. But that is my newest tie-dye reveal. I'm super excited. Let me know what you think. If you love Frozen 2, hit that like button. Also, if you like any of my other videos and you think they're pretty cool and you want to see what's next, hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you.